Want to sell your stuff online without your entire Facebook friend list knowing about it? Let's do it. Open the Facebook app on your phone. It works the same on iPhone and Android. Tap the marketplace icon. It usually looks like a little storefront. If you don't see it, tap the menu icon, those 3 lines, and you'll find it in that list. Once you're in Marketplace, tap on Sell at the bottom. Choose the type of item you're selling. This could be items, vehicles, or homes for sale or rent. I will tap Items here. Now, fill out the listing form. Add clear photos of your item, a detailed title, a fair price, and a good description that answers any questions people might have. Here's the key part. As you scroll down in the listing form, you should see an option that says Hide from Friends. It might be under Advanced Options. Toggle that switch to the On position. Make sure you see a confirmation that Hide from Friends is now enabled. This prevents your friends from seeing your listing in their news feeds. Finally, review your listing one last time, and then tap Post. Your item will be listed on Marketplace, but your friends won't be directly notified, and that is it.